What are you shooting with there? Just my phone. Take some really nice photos. Yeah, but you want to get yourself a proper camera. A proper camera. Hello, welcome to Canon. I've been shooting with my phone and I want to upgrade to a proper camera. No problem. This is the Canon 4000D. Perfect for beginners. How much is it? £400. Oh, okay, I'll take it. Thank you very much. What are you shooting with there? The Canon 4000D. But that's a DSLR. You want to get yourself a mirrorless camera. That's the future. A mirrorless camera. Hello, welcome to Canon. Yeah, I bought this camera yesterday. I want a mirrorless camera. No problem. This is the Canon M50 Mark II, a very popular mirrorless camera. How much is it? £700. Ooh, okay, I'll take it. Thank you very much. What are you shooting with there? This is the Canon M50 Mark II, but it's a crop frame camera. What you want is a full frame camera, then you can take professional photos. A full frame camera. Hello, welcome to Canon. I bought this camera from you yesterday. I want a full frame. No problem. This is the Canon 5D Mark IV, a full frame camera that many professionals use. How much does it cost? £1,500. £1,500. Okay, I'll take it. Thank you very much. Oh, amazing. What are you shooting with there? The Canon 5D Mark IV. But again, it's a DSLR camera. You want a full frame that's also a mirrorless so you don't break your back. You don't say. Hello, welcome to Canon. I bought this camera from you yesterday. What I want is a full frame mirrorless camera. No problem. This is the Canon R6. It's a full frame camera that's also mirrorless. How much? £2,500. Okay, I'll take it. Thank you very much. What are you shooting with there? This is the Canon R6. That's awesome. Oh, what are you shooting with? Me? I just use my phone. It's super easy to take photos with and it's always with me, so it's convenient.